So, Axie Infinity went down the drain. I'll tell you exactly why. I'll explain all the problems with Web3 gaming. I'll also give you some solutions. Talk about recent projects like Hamster Kombat. So, it should be a good one. I'll see you inside. Whoop.
Okay. So what I'm talking about today is essentially what it is we're talking about pyramid schemes. And case in point for this is a company called Axie Infinity. I'm guessing you probably know what Axie Infinity is, but let me very quickly summarize it. Essentially, these are Axies. Each one of these is represented by an NFT, and you can see they have these kind of weird additional things like a horn, a tail, wings, blah, 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 blah. These are Axies. What you do in this game is you use those to fight. Okay? And so I have actually here, right here, there we go, the token price. Okay? This is the SLP, which is Smooth Love Potion, which is the token for Axie Infinity. Like I said, these are NFTs here, and essentially these NFTs can help you to generate this token. Okay? But you may notice something about this token. It goes boom, all the way up to 35 cents, down to 15, boom, 35, boom, down to something like 3 cents. I'm assuming this is even lower. I could search right now. Maybe I should. Let me very quickly search. SLP, let's do CoinGecko terminal, which is my favorite. All right, so it's even lower now. Okay, if I zoom out max, you can see even worse. Okay, so let's actually use this one because this one's even more dramatic than the first. Okay, so this is what I showed you, but same thing, right? Just you can see it's extended into nothingness. It's actually gotten worse. So, question is why? Right? So many people liked this idea. These little things are cute. Axie Infinity, good branding. Why did it crash and burn so hard? All right, well, let me summarize it in 2 words. Pyramid scheme. Okay, here's a pyramid scheme. You can see it's actually inverted, upside down. Okay, so a traditional pyramid has the point at the top. It's at the bottom here, same. Okay, but what you should really notice here is there's one person goes into 3. And then this person goes into 4, this goes into 3, this goes into 4. So essentially this one person is touching all of these through this person here. Okay, so that wasn't a very good explanation. Let me say that again. The pyramid scheme is essentially there's a person on top that gets all of the rewards and the money, and the people at the bottom get much less. And that's what ended up happening with Axie Infinity. So as you can see, if I were to buy one of these NFTs at the start here, the price is very low, so I got it for very, very cheap. That's good. You know, I'm an early adopter. I'm interested in Web3 gaming. Get an NFT. Okay, you should make some money. Okay, but what ended up happening is that these people made a lot of money, and then these people here they probably lost money. Okay, and then we have to think about why. Why is this the case? If I'm buying here and you're buying here, why is this person going to make way more money than this person? Of course, it's important that I buy early, but the key thing we should think about here is a thing called a pyramid scheme. Okay, here's one way to think about it, right? So the person at the top is making lots of money, and the people under are making less. Okay. I had a better picture, but essentially what ends up happening is this person, I get in early and I think, okay, this game is fun, but I'm done. I'm going to sell my NFT. And then I sell it to these people. Okay, so say I sell it for $10 and they buy for $10. They do the same thing. They have fun. They're like, okay, it's time to sell. Well, they can't sell it for $10. They have to sell it for more. Otherwise, they didn't make a profit. They can't sell it for less, right? They have to sell it for more. So this person sells it for 10, 10, 10. These people sell it for 20, 20, 20, 20. And then these people have to do the same thing, right? So if these people bought the NFT for $20, well, they have to sell it for more, like $40 or $30 in order to make back their money, okay? And you may see what happens here, right? Everything's working until it stops working. At a certain point, no one's going to want to buy it, right? If this person paid $10 and these people paid $20, why is someone going to buy it from these people for $50, right? They may do this if people are speculating. If they think it's going to continue to go up, then they will buy it, expecting to sell it for a higher price. But at a certain point, the economy is going to crash. And that's what happened here. Okay, so people are arbitrage, buying, selling. At a certain point, it gets too much money. People stop buying them. And the people that bought here, they sell it for less. And then these people sell it for less. And these people sell it for less. And the same process that we saw increasing here is decreasing in the opposite direction. Okay, and this is why I have this picture here, because essentially what ends up happening is the people at the top, the people that were first, the people that got in early, they take a giant amount of that money, and the people under them get less and less and less and less until the very bottom people, they start losing money. So that's a pyramid scheme. And I'm using Axie Infinity as an example because many Web3 games, they have this system. The reason why so many Web3 games do this is because it's very attractive, right? If I'm going to build a Web3 game, I need money. I need money to make the art. I need money to make the software, whatever it is, right? I need money. Okay. But how do you get people's money if you have nothing to give them? So this is where these NFTs come in. Creating an NFT is a very low cost activity for this company. And so what they do is they make NFTs and they sell them, saying in the future you can use this NFT in the game to make tokens, SLP, or whatever it is. Okay, so it seems like a nice, simple solution because the person buying the NFT, they have something of value that should increase in time. The developer has money, good. But what the problem is that if this NFT is supposed to be giving something back, right? Play to earn is the term. Well, where is that value coming from? Right here, where's the value of this token coming from? All it's coming from is people selling to other people, selling to other people, selling to other people until the system breaks down and everything falls apart. Okay, so in any economy, you need to have money coming in order for money to go out. And if you're playing to earn, where is this earning coming from? So this is a trap that many Web3 games fall into. It's not just smooth love potions, it's many of them, okay? So let me give you a suggestion. Let me explain something called quest to earn. Okay, so Task On, they're probably one of the larger platforms that do questing to earning. Okay, together, empower Web3, believe in the power of decentralization collaboration. Yeah, so essentially what happens here is I wouldn't say this is a game. We'll talk about that in a second. But this is a platform called Quest to Earn. Essentially, communities, they want to build their community. They want to have marketing. They have a YouTube video and they want people to like it in order to increase their reach. Okay, how do they do this? Well, instead of paying this money to a third party that's just going to click all day long, what they do is they give this money to the community and the community clicks all day long. Okay, so again, if we're going to do play to earn, you have to think about where is this money coming from that they're earning. In this system, it comes from other people that sell to you or buy from you. So it doesn't work long term. This system is a little bit more stable because if I ask that question, where is this money coming from? Well, it's coming from these communities or these projects, right? If I'm building a Web3 game and I raise money from a venture capitalist, I have $10,000 to spend on marketing. Well, I can put it into this project. People will click and like and watch and learn. Maybe these become real players, maybe they don't. Whatever. It helps your marketing, it helps your reach. And so the quest to earn, the earning is coming from these guys, the guys bringing the money into the system, and it goes in here. And so this is a much more healthy system, right? So maybe these guys pay $10,000. The $10,000 splits among their community because these communities doing something for them. These people are happy, and so they put $10,000 more in. Okay. Again, there's one problem that I guess I can mention right now because we're on it is if you don't have enough communities giving quests, then the whole system breaks down. But if everything's healthy, if you have enough communities coming in and enough users doing the activities, the system works. Okay, so this is called a quest to earn. The problem with this is it's super duper boring, right? If all I do is click, and I'm not interested in what I'm doing, it's not really fun. And so people, yes, they can earn money. But then, if we're trying to improve the world, this is not much of an improvement. What we could do, though, light bulb, bing, is make a game that gamifies that. And this is what Hamster Kombat did. Okay, so Hamster Kombat, essentially people call them as a tap to earn game or tap. Okay, if it's just tapping, again, we go back to that question of where is this money coming from? Where is this earning coming from? Okay, so the tapping is actually not the solution here. The solution from this game is this. They have a built-in quest to earn platform. Okay, so Hamster Kombat, they have their own YouTube, right? And you can see they're giving away tokens for people to go and watch those videos. If Hamster YouTube gets more views, they get more money, they get more marketing reach, their project succeeds. Okay, so just like Tasks to Earn, this game is built in this questing to earn. Okay, and so this is one of there's many solutions to the initial problem I gave out, but this is kind of one of the most common solutions to this. It's not just Hamster Kombat that does this. I saw something online saying Microsoft does this. They have quests in their game. Same sort of thing. Go to the Microsoft channel, watch their video, click like, subscribe, whatever it is, right? By the way, like and subscribe to this video. Woo, woo, woo. Back to the video though. This is the solution to the pay to earn, play to earn, quest to earn, all of that, right? What we're doing is we're joining these game dynamics, making it fun and addictive, combining it with some sort of actual revenue coming in order to make this play to earn system succeed. All right, so that's all I'm going to say on this topic. I hope this video is helpful for you. And yeah, please do subscribe and like. I would really love it if you do that. Later.